Welcome to Solverify, the place where learning becomes simple. If you're struggling with homework, assignment, or doubt in subjects, don't worry, you are in the right place.
The gyro rotor is spinning at the rate p equals to 100 revolution per minute in the direction indicated. So p vector will be equals to 100 multiplied by 2 pi by 60 radian per second, that is equals to 100 pi by 3 into k cap and radian per second. Okay, and the angle gamma is increasing at the rate gamma dot equals to 4 radian per second. So we can write that gamma dot equals to 4 radian per second in the minus I cap direction, and the entire unit is supposed to process about vertical at the rate n equals to 20 revolution per minute. So we can write that omega 1 equals to n multiplied by 2 pi by 60 cos gamma j cap plus n multiplied by 2 pi by 60 sin gamma and k cap. Okay, so from here after solving we get omega 1 vector equals to after substituting n here, so we will get under root 3 pi by 3 j cap plus pi by 3 k cap. Okay, so now the total angular velocity of the rotor omega will be equals to, by combining all these equations, this equation, and this equation, so we will get that minus 4 I cap plus under root 3 pi by 3 j cap plus and 10 pi by 3 plus pi by 3 k cap. Okay, so this will be the result. So from here we can see that omega x equals to minus 4 and omega y is equals to under root 3 pi by 3 and omega z is equals to this value, which is 11 pi by 3. So now the angular momentum about origin will be equals to h naught vector. This will be equals to ixx omega x I cap plus iyy omega y j cap plus izz omega z k cap. Okay, so now in this question we have ixx equals to iyy, which is equals to 2.5 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 pound feet second square. Okay, and izz is equals to 5 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 pound feet second square. Okay, so now substituting all the values in this equation, so we will get that h naught vector, this will be equals to 2.5 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 multiplied by omega x, which is minus 4 I cap plus iyy, which is again 2.5 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 and omega y, which is under root 3 pi by 3 j cap and plus izz, which is 5 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 multiplied by omega z, which is 11 pi by 3 and k cap. Okay, so from here after solving we will get that angular momentum about origin of the rotor h naught vector, this will be equals to 0.01 I cap plus 4.5345 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 j cap plus 0.0576 k cap pound feet second square. Okay, so this is the answer for the question. This is the angular momentum of the rotor about the origin. Okay, so this is the answer for the question. Okay.